To find the price of each sub, we just have to solve the system of linear equations. Okay, so let's multiply the top one by 5, right? Multiply both sides by 5, and then multiply both sides by 2 at the bottom. That way, what we end up getting is an equation that has 10x here and 10x here. So subtracting these two equations, you get no x's. Okay, so then this is 20y is equal to, this is 170. Okay, over here you get plus 12y is equal to 122. So subtracting these two equations, the x's disappear. And you get 20y minus 12y, so that's 8y. Subtracting these two, right, you end up getting just 70 minus 20 is 50, but we have 22, so it's 48. Okay, and then dividing both sides by 8, you get 6. Okay, so the $6 is the price of one of the subs. And now if I plug this back into this equation here, right, the numbers are smaller, so it'll be easier to deal with. You get this, right? Then you get 2x plus 24. So if I subtract 24 to both sides, I get that 2x has to be 10. Or in other words, the price of the other sub is $5.